Hello children, welcome to today's session. So in this session there is no continuation of the class. I just want to give an explanation to the questions given in the session number 30 because some of the students are asking, sir, explain that questions once again. So for the students I am explaining these questions. So on that day I have given some 4 questions, I hope, that is 2 questions in one question and 2 questions in one question. So today I'll explain all that 4 questions. So among that, the first question is, find the remainder when x cube plus 2x square minus 6x plus 9 is divided with x minus 2. This is the question. So this to be solved by using the theorem called as remainder theorem. So whenever we got a remainder, to find the remainder, remember my dear students, we have to follow the remainder theorem. So what the remainder theorem says is that first you have to take the given polynomial as p of x and consider it has to be divided with any other linear polynomial. Then we have to transform into a linear polynomial. We have to transform that value with the variable and we have to substitute that to get the remainder. Okay, so here, so let the given polynomial is x cube taken as p of x. P of x is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 6x plus 9. So what is the question is, need to find the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 2. That is the question. So what we have to do is, let the given, that is x minus 2, must be equal to 0. We have to consider it as 0. So since x minus 2 is equals to 0, we have to send this minus 2 to that side. So what becomes, it will become x is equals to 2. So here we have to write one statement. So to get the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 2, we need to find the value of p of 2. That means we have to find the value of p of 2. So what is given? P of x. P of x is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 6x plus 9. Since we have to find the value of p of 2, it's very simple. Wherever the x is there, you just place the value of 2. So what will get? X cube, I'll write as 2 cube plus 2 into x square, that is 2 into 2 square, minus 6 into 2 plus 9. So what is 2 cube? Don't write 2 cube as 6. Already mentioned, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Next, 2 square is 4 and this is 6 2s are 12 and 9. Next, plus 2 cube is 8 and 2 4s are 8 and minus 12 plus 9. Now what I'll do is I'll make it into these two as 2 parts and these two as 2 parts for simple calculation. So plus 8 is plus 16 and plus 12 minus 12 plus 9. So when plus one minus is there, we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number and keep the symbol of bigger number. So it is 12 minus 9, it is 3 and the bigger number is 12. So minus 12 minus 3. So next, 16 minus 3 is 13. So that is the answer. So we have to write the conclusion. Therefore, when x cube plus 2x square minus 6x plus 9 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 13. This is the question. Okay. Next, now go for the second question. In the same question, what is the second question is, need to find the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus 2. This is the question because already it was mentioned in the two questions. One x minus 2 and one x plus 2. That is second question. Same consideration, let x is equals to, let x plus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2. So write the same statement. So to get the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus 2, we need to find p of minus 2. We need to find p of minus 2. Follow the same procedure for the previous questions. What is the procedure is, first p of x is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 6x plus 9. Now we have to find p of minus 2. So substitute, when x is there, we have to substitute the value of minus 2. What is the answer? It is minus 2 whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 whole square because x is minus 2. Next, minus 6 into x. So it is minus 6 into minus 2 plus 9. What is the next answer? Minus 2 cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So you will get minus 8 is the answer. Next, plus 2 into, what is minus 2 whole square? Minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 4. Next, look at this, 6 2s are 12 and minus of minus plus 12. Plus 9. Be careful about this, all these symbols. If you make any mistake, instead of taking minus 8, if you take plus 8, the whole answer will be wrong. So, substituting in calculation must be very careful, right? So, the next step is minus 8 plus 2 into plus 4 plus 12 plus 9. So, the continuation sum is, so minus 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 9. Minus 8 plus 8 may cancel and you will get 0 plus 21 is equals to 21. That is the answer. Okay. Next, I'll go for the next question. The next question is very important question. Find the coefficient when x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided with x minus 2 is the first question, and second one is x plus 2. You have to find that. Okay. So for that sake, this is the coefficient method and the previous one is remainder method. So whenever you got a question to find the coefficient, you have to follow this division method only. So first what I'll do is, since the question is given x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4, so it is not in the correct format. So we have to write in the correct format. What is the correct format is x power 4 plus 0x cube. X cube term is not there, but we have to take minus 3x square plus 0x plus 4. So whenever you are going to do this type of division method, all the variables, all the powers of the degrees or the powers of the variables must be in a descending order. Power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1 and constant. Okay. Now this has to be divided with x minus 2. So what is the first step? Let us take, this is the p of x and this is the f of x or g of x. What is the first term in the given polynomial? X power 4. And what is the first term in the divisor? Dividend, this is divisor. It is x. So x power 4 by x is equals to what? X cube. So this to be multiplied with the divisor. So I'm multiplying x cube into x minus 2. What happens? X cube into x power 4 minus 2 into x cube minus 2x cube. So write the same thing in the x power 4 minus 2x cube. So now we have to do the subtraction. So whenever you are doing subtraction, the symbols will change. So the plus become minus, minus become plus. So this will minus and this minus 2x cube is there, this will become plus. So plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. Next, 0x cube plus 2x cube. So 0x cube plus 2x, 0 plus anything value is anything only. So you have to write plus 2x cube. Next, 3x square is going to carry out. Then next divide the, what is the first term here? 2x cube. We have to divide with x. So what you will get? 2x cube by x is 2x square. Because x cube means x into x into x. X may cancel, remaining is 2x square. Now these to be multiplied with the given divisor. What is the divisor? X minus 2. So 2x square into x, 2x cube. 2x square into minus 2, that is minus 4x square. Okay. Now same I have to write here. So minus 2x cube minus 4x square. So what I have to do? I have to do the subtraction. So minus plus 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel, and minus 3x square plus 4x square. Don't consider both are minus. We have to consider the new symbol. What is that next? So it is plus x square. Next, 0x to be carried out. Next again, what is the first term? X square by x is equals to x. This x to be multiplied with x minus 2. You will get x square minus 2x. Same substitute here. Next I will do the subtraction. Plus x square minus x square cancel. And it is 0x plus 2x. So you will get 2x. Then next 4 is to be carried out. Then what is the first term here? 2x. 2x by x is 2. This 2 to be multiplied with x minus 2. You will get 2 into x minus 2 is 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4 I have to write here. And it is, I am doing the subtraction, 2x minus 2x cancel, and plus 4, don't cancel this because the new symbol is plus 4. So plus 4 is plus 8. So we have to write the coefficient as, so therefore the coefficient is x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2, and the remainder is plus 8. So this is the question. some students